अभी मैं देखूं कहाँ? अभी सलाम। I'm wearing Zohair Murad, styled by Ami Patel, and it's a really fun outfit. Bombay में आई हूँ, थोड़े रंग की तो ज़रूरत है. It's always great to be back home. मैं तो excuse ढूंढती हूँ वापस आने के लिए. I'm really glad that I came here. I mean, I've come back and I'm immediately jumped into work, but I love doing that too. So I'm really happy. मेरा ड्यूरेशन 12 मिनट का है, 12.5 मिनट का. एंड मैं सोच रही थी मैं क्या करूँ इस साल अलग. तो इस बार मैं 700 फीट ऊपर से आ रही हूँ, बुर्ज खलीफा के ऊपर खड़े होकर. और गाने, मेरे सारे गाने, मेरे करियर के सारे जो मेरे गाने हैं, फेवरेट गाने जो मेरे, that's the one, those are the ones. I don't think so because this year I'm going to be shooting for I'm shooting Quantico and I'm not presenting this year, so I don't know if I'll be able to go. Though I'm trying. I have a dress ready, but अगर मेरी shooting का production day move हो गया then I'll go. I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing that not just men and women, but people are standing up for just calling out powerful men who think they can get away with anything, you know. And it's not very easy. It's extremely difficult. And I guess in America, you know, they've had the courage and the support from everyone to be able to do it. It's really wonderful to see. I don't think it's an industry thing and I don't think it's an India thing. I just don't think we've come together yet to be able to do that in such a big way, yet. If I go to the Globes, maybe.
Priyanka, now you are a global icon.
Sorry.
Now you are a global icon officially.
I don't think I'm an icon, first of all. Global icon, अभी बहुत काम करना है. I'm just building. It's just the beginning few years for me, and आगे देखो क्या होता है. I'm going. Let me shift it. Give me 2 minutes. 2 more questions, okay? Otherwise they'll take me away. हाँ, जोर से. यार बड़ी ट्रेजेडी है मेरी लाइफ की. Yes. मैं फाइनल कर चुकी हूँ 2-3. अभी फिगर आउट करना है कि I'll announce it very soon. I just have to figure out when and how. Yes, it was one of those scripts. I was approached with that film when Amir was doing it, but our dates were like we weren't supposed to do it next year. It was for 19, but now I don't know. Yeah, Amir's not doing the film. मुझे कोई confirmations नहीं आए हैं. I haven't spoken to Sid or Mahesh sir. As soon as I know, then I'll know, I guess. अनुष्का की शादी और मेरे इंटरनेशनल नाम का क्या लेना? बेसिकली वो पूछो ना, सीधा. शादी प्लान वाली चीज़ थोड़ी ना होती है. बंदा मिलना चाहिए, बंदा हो जो बंदा लायक हो तो कर लूँगी. तो शायद कोई लायक बंदा मिला नहीं मेरे लायक. It's still going through. Well, I have an incredible relationship with Sanjay sir and I admire him tremendously. And I know that this film will come out and I know people will see the art behind it. They just have to make sure everything is sorted, and I'll always stand by not just Sanjay sir but also Deepika and Ranveer and Shahid for the film. Done?
Last question.
Last question. Decide
Last
make
question,
it
guys,
good.
please. Last question.
I don't know about the wedding because I don't know about that. But of course I've spoken to her and I'm extremely happy for Meg. And I mean, it's a fairy tale for both Megan and Anushka, like two people who I know really well. And they have these fairy tale weddings. It's really great to see. Guys, you also know remunerations and what all you all do to the numbers. So keep quiet, please. I never talk about remunerations and no, my act is 12 minutes. सबसे पहले तो तुम लोगों का वही न्यूज़ गलत है कि 6 मिनट का act.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
हाँ मैं इधर आ रही हूँ.
फोटो के लिए बस
कैसे जाएंगे?
जा रहे हैं
मकबूल भाई आ सकती है क्या गाड़ी?